7 years ago, chef Moshe Sheikh sold his share of the popular Moshe outlets in Mumbai and went off to Alibag to run a cooking studio. Now, Chef Moshe has returned to Mumbai with Cafe Need in Kala Ghoda.
I built the cafe on the simple lines of a cafe I would like to go to. So I've not looked around at all. We put a lot of effort into the interiors done by Ajit Shilpi. He's done a fabulous job, and he's given the look and feel of probably a cafe anywhere in the world, and hence the menu would reflect that as well. So the menu is again simple fare. I've moved away from meat, and it's largely vegetarian with only egg as an exception in the menu. But otherwise, it's vegetarian in entirely. Number one. Number two, it's homemade. That means we make everything here. We outsource nothing. We don't buy any packaged produce. We buy no sauces, nothing that's pre-made somewhere else. We make it ourselves.
With a whole range of homemade treats like jams, sauces, dips and fresh breads, Cafe Need also ensures value for money.
So we have close to 80 products that we have on sale, from crackers to spices to dips to a range of breads, and all healthy breads. Once again, we don't use anything in our breads. That's in our logo says that, in fact, nothing that you wouldn't want in there is there. So it's completely natural in every format. And I think it's time that the city got a cafe that's like this, and at the same time, price-wise, we're very well priced as well. Even though the ambience is you won't expect, our prices are cheaper than a lot of the cafes around here, but we offer far more value.
With Chef Moshe turning vegetarian, the cafe has an extensive menu and only makes room for eggs.
I moved away from meat a few years ago, so my studio in Alibag, where we had classes, also was vegetarian, the same, with egg. And I felt happier, cleaner. At the kitchen, we don't have segregations that happen. And the second but more important reason is that it's harder to do vegetarian in a complete menu.
Moshe Sheikh opened Cafe Need to support his cooking school in Alibag.
So honestly, I've been doing a lot of back and forth from Alibag and Bombay. So our studio was beautiful. I found out that in those days, we were closed for 6 months of the year because there was no boats. And the last season really hit us because the monsoons were delayed. So we were shut for exactly 6 months. And it just became hard to maintain everything and go on being closed for so long. So I thought I must have something on this side of the city to balance that side out. And I said, I must do something here that justifies my costs of operations that side. And hence the idea of opening a cafe this side to balance that side out came up. We're going to continue that anyway. We're going to start end of this month, in fact, back in Alibag as well. So both will run parallelly.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.